How to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. If any day you face the problem like the YouTube sound is not working on your very Android device and you are quite frustrated, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to search the YouTube application on your mobile device. After you find the YouTube application by manually searching or searching in the search section of your mobile device, you have to tap on the very YouTube application for a while. And after you tap on the YouTube application for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information. After you tap in the app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications. After you tap on it, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back and go to the option of permissions. After you tap on permissions, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, notification phone, and photos and videos. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default and open the supported links. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you have to clear down all of the cache, if there is any cache, and you can just close the very app information from here. And then you can also check whether your sound is on or not, and you can also increase the volume on your very mobile device, and then you can close your mobile device once again and restart it, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.